Okay, in this video we are going to discuss the one more important topics, that is virtual height and the actual heights. So in these topics we derived one equation, that is the relationship between the virtual height of the object, the actual height of the object and refractive index of two mediums. So here we have considered the two mediums. In one medium the observer can be standing, and in another mediums the object can be placed. So we consider the figures in which we have this taken the two mediums. Suppose this is glass slip, this is the glass slip. So now we have the two mediums. This is glass medium, this one is air medium. This medium is denoted by M1, this medium is denoted by M2. Suppose the refractive index of this medium, that is N1, the refractive index of this medium, that is N2. This is air, this one is glass. Now observer can be standing over here, somewhere here, and object is placed at this point. This object is denoted by O. Now the ray coming from these points can be refract from this glass medium to air and then enter in the observer eye. Because of that, observer can be seen this object, but this object height can be different. This is actual positions of the object, but when the ray which is coming from this object can enter in the eye of the observer, so these positions can be shifted in upward sides. So that is the virtual positions of the objects. We take the two rays. Suppose one ray is coming from this one. So now this glass and air, this is medium, that is rarer medium. This one is denser medium. This is normal at this interface. So whenever the light rays can be coming from denser to rarer, so they can be bent away from the normals. Because of that, this can be bent in this direction. Similarly, one more rays can be taken. Suppose this one. This is normal to this surface between air and the glass. So these rays can be coming from denser to rarer. So they can be bent away from the normals. Now observer may be somewhere here. So now these objects can be observed by this observer. So this observer observe the position that is here. This is virtual position, O dash. Okay, actual positions is at O. But when these objects can be observed from here, so due to this refraction, because when ray coming from glass to air, they can be bent away from the normals. So when you extended these lines or these rays, so that can be meet at this O dash. So O dash, that is virtual positions of the object. So now you can see this is the actual height from this one, that is denoted by H1. This is actual height because O dash is actual positions of the object. So this height is actual. Now this is observed, or we can say that the virtual positions. So this one is virtual height H2. Okay, this one is H1, that is the actual height here in figure. The H1, that is actual height, and H2, that is virtual height. Object really placed at this point, but when look from here, this object can be shifted in upward side because this glass surface. So this is the different medium compared to air. This is air medium, this one is glass medium. So because of refraction phenomena, the shifting in position will be taken place. Okay, now suppose the refractive index is N1, this is refractive index is N2. So observer which is here, so refractive index, the refractive index of observer medium, that is N1. This is the refractive index of observer medium. This is most important. What is the N2? That is refractive index of object medium. આ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કે N1 છે હંમેશા શું છે, ઓબ્ઝર્વર જ્યાં સ્ટેન્ડિંગ છે જ્યાં છે તેનું મીડિયમ એનો રિફ્રેક્ટિવ ઇન્ડેક્સ. અને n2 છે કે જ્યાં ઓબ્જેક્ટ પ્લેસ કર્યો છે તેનો રિફ્રેક્ટિવ ઇન્ડેક્સ. નાઉ please remember the one equation, that is the relationship between the refractive index of the two mediums. One is observer standing and second one, that is object placed. That medium's refractive index and the height, that is actual height and the virtual height. So that relationship is virtual depth, or we can say that height. This is virtual depth. When you taken from this one, so this is depth. તમે અહીંયાથી માપો તો હાઈટ કહેવાય, ઉપરથી આવો તો ડેપ્થ કહેવાય. 1 and same. Okay, so virtual depth divided by actual depth. Instead of depth you can write down the height. Okay, 1 and same. When you measure from upward side, so that is depth. When you measure from downward side, so that is the height. Okay, so that relation is virtual depth divided by actual height, depth is equal to the observer refractive index, so that is the n1, divided by object's medium refractive index, that is n2. Please remember, what is the virtual depth? That is h2. What is the actual depth? That is n1 is equal to the observer's refractive index. ઉપર શું આવશે ન્યુમરેટર્સ માં કે જ્યાં ઓબ્ઝર્વર મૂક્યો છે એ મીડિયમનો રિફ્રેક્ટિવ ઇન્ડેક્સ, that is n1, અને જે નીચે આવશે ડિનોમિનેટર્સ માં એ જે ગ્લાસ છે એનો રિફ્રેક્ટિવ ઇન્ડેક્સ, that is n2. So this equation is most important. Please remember, n1 is the refractive index of medium in which observer can be placed, or we can say that observer can be standing, and n2 that is refractive index of medium in which the object can be placed. So this relationship is most important. આ રીતે યાદ રાખજો. પહેલા ઉપર શું આવશે virtual depth divided by actual depth is equal to observer divided by object. જે observer છે એ મીડિયમનો રિફ્રેક્ટિવ ઇન્ડેક્સ divided by object છે એનો રિફ્રેક્ટિવ ઇન્ડેક્સ. ઓકે, સો મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઇક્વેશન. અહીંયા ડેપ્થ નો કે હાઈટ નો સરખું છે. તમે અહીંયા નીચેથી ઉપર જાવ તો એ હાઈટ થાય, અને અહીંયા ઉપરથી નીચે આવો તો ડેપ્થ. Okay, so this is most important equation. If you have known values of three quantities, you can easily find out the fourth. Okay, so numericals based on these ones we solve in next session or next video. Okay, so I will stop here. Thank you.